Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up assistive access on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Assistive Access. Then tap on Set Up Assistive Access. On the next page, tap on the Continue button. Then tap on Continued, or you can change your Apple ID. I'm going to tap on Continued. In here, you can choose between rows or grid. And then tap on Continue. Next, choose which app that you want to use for assistive access. So I'm going to include calls, tap on Continued, and then camera. And in here, you can choose which mode to use. So we've got photo selfie, video, and video selfie. The features, camera features are limited to only a few. Now tap on Continue. Next, you can add in messages, music, photos, and other apps in here. So grant the apps to use for assistive access. So here I can also include messages and music. So tap on Continue. So in here, choose which contacts can be sent to when you are in assistive access mode. So in here, we can select certain contacts only, all contacts, or everyone. So you can choose all contacts and then go down here, and then you can customize messages. Tap to hear messages, conversation details, message input, keyboard, video selfie, emoji. So you can control which messages features can be used or can't be used. And then tap on Continued. Next is the music app. So tap on Add to add in music. In here, you can go down and select which playlist the music app can play. So I've got this playlist here. So go down and select the playlist. You can also tap on Edit Playlist to add in more playlists. Okay, so we go back into Settings and then tap on Continued. Then tap on Continued to proceed. And in here, there are some differences in how iOS features work in assistive access. For emergency services, triple-click the side button to access emergency calling and emergency SOS via satellite, and other automated emergency calling features may not be available. And for notifications from apps, app notifications appear as badges. Exit assistive access to view notifications and software updates. Now tap on the Continue button, then tap on Continued. So it's here, assistive access and unlocking iPhone. The person using assistive access will be able to unlock the iPhone without passcode. So here, if you want to change the security settings, you can tap on that. And then it said exiting onboarding. All progress will be safe and will be available when you return to onboarding. So you can exit and save or tap on Continued. So tap on Continued here, and now we will set the passcode 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can set your own passcode in here, and then re-enter the assistive passcode. Next is a get help if you forget your assistive access passcode. So you can set a recovery Apple ID. An Apple ID can be used to exit assistive access if you ever forget your assistive access passcode. So tap on Set Recovery Apple ID. And then in here, you can put in the email or phone number. Now put in your Apple ID and then tap on OK. And put in the password as well. Okay, on the next screen, tap on Continued. And let's say assistive access is ready to use. You can make changes to assistive access from settings at any time. And you can start using assistive access now or later. So I'm going to start using it now. And we need to put in the passcode to start. And that's it. The phone is now entering assistive access. Okay, so you can see in assistive access, The apps that we have added previously are available in here in very large icon, and you can the functions in the apps in here are limited to what you have added. So you got camera, you can turn on camera, you can take photo selfies, video selfie in videos. You can tap on the back key. Messages, again, everything is limited. So messages, and then you can tap on contact, and then you can choose who to call. You got music, and music can be played from the list that we add only, nothing else. And then you got calls. So these are kind of like a restriction, so that if you only want to restrict people to use only certain apps with certain functions only, with limited features, then you can use Assistive Access. And to end Assistive Access, you can triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3, and then tap on Exit Assistive Access. Before you can exit Assistive Access, you need to put in the passcode that you have set previously, and this will allow you to end Assistive Access session. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.